Hi, everybody. This is Mitch. I'd like to welcome you to today's Kipcon Minute. Believe it or not, it has to do with termites. You would never think I'd do a Kipcon Minute on termites, but here we go. So what does termites do? What is termite damage and how bad can it be? We just experienced this on a project we're working on, and I figured I would share it with you today. So here we go. And let me just go to the next slide. So I don't know if you realize, but termites cause $5 billion worth of damage in the United States each year. And it's not just cosmetic damage, as I've learned, and I'll show you. They can eat into the structure of your building. So what does a termite do? Termites feed on dead plants and trees. They get their nutrients from cellulose, which is an organic fiber, I spelled it wrong, found in wood and plants. So what do you mean wood with your buildings? Wood makes up most of their diet. You see where I'm going with this based on this picture? That's your building. So what are some of the warning signs? You get winged insects, you might see, termite dropping, wood that sounds hollow when you tap on it, or maybe you get mud tubes in the exterior walls, which is how the termites get into the homes. Now, this picture is an example of what a mud tube looks like. So if you see this, you better call for help. So what can it do to your structure? This is an actual building that we're dealing with right now, where this is what they found. On the left is a wall, and the 2x4 studs have been eaten away by the termites. And to the right is a wood beam that is almost pretty much shot, totally gone, and it's from termite damage. So this is what it looks like. What's the solution? If you suspect anything along the lines of termites, call an expert. I will be quite honest, I'm not an expert on termites. So there are companies that do specialize in coming out and looking, and there's some chemical treatments and different things that you can stop the spread of termites, but definitely have it looked into right away. In this case, it was too late to stop it. So if you find a structural problem, call an engineer. And this drawing right here shows you the exact beam that you were looking at and the columns in there and the total replacement of that beam, which is not going to be cheap for the association. So if you have any questions about this in terms of treating it or inspecting it, do a web search of termite experts. But if you do find structural problems, please call us. So thank you very much. Thanks for joining us. And have a great day. And again, if you ever have any questions, feel free to give us a call. That's today's Kipcon Minute. Be safe. Thanks. Bye.